We understand that sport is a massive part of our students' experience at Swansea, and we are doing all we can to ensure our members are able to participate safely in sport during the upcoming academic year.
We're working with our 54 different sports clubs to be prepared to welcome members from the off in September by providing a number of different forms of activity. This will encompass online communities, virtual training in our facilities and the natural surroundings, and of course, lots of socialising. This will be available alongside friendly and competitive sporting offers and events. We'll continue to adjust our sporting offer in line with the easing of restrictions, with the aim of providing you the best possible sporting experience during your time at Swansea University.
We're also working closely with BUCS to offer competition in the first term before the leagues are provisionally scheduled to begin in January. In addition, we have plenty of outdoor space here on campus which our students can safely use to keep fit and healthy.
The health and well-being of our students is our top priority. Sport is a huge part of the student lifestyle, and we want to do everything we can to provide an excellent sporting experience in spite of the pandemic.
As with most things, Sports Swansea will look a little differently this year, but the whole team are here to support you and our clubs.
We want you to take part, make friends, and enjoy the welcoming sporting communities and excellent facilities that Swansea has to offer. And we are all looking forward to welcoming you to Swansea University in September.